Take one, Apple, take one.
Hi, I'm Terence, and I'll bet you're having a hard time hearing me due to the noisy traffic in the background. How about now? We achieved this magic using a process called ADR, or Automated Dialogue Replacement. Back in the recording studio, after production is completed, the talent re-records their dialogue while watching their original performance on screen. After matching their performance as closely as possible, the audio engineer can then move words around or change their speed to fit even better. They will then adjust the qualities of the voice to match the acoustics of the original location. Adding new sounds to the background, as we've shown in another video, completes the sound design.
The ADR technique is also used to replace the voice with another performer. Oh, come on, guys, really? This is just another example of the many ways we can improve the sound of a project in post-production.